actually be created every time you type in certain words, just like emit. So if I type div and I press tab, you can see that something else is created, right? All right, cool. Let me show you how to do that. So if you go to PHP Storm Preferences or Settings, if you're on a Windows machine, I believe, and you can type in here Live, and then you will get this Live Templates window. Then you're gonna click here, Live Templates. All right. And I already have one set up, but I'm gonna set another one up for you, so you can see how this is done. All right. So I'm gonna cancel that, and I'm gonna set up this submit button. All right. So I'm gonna copy it, copy the little code, preferences, and as you can see, it has a shortcut here for. So if I go to preferences, you can see Command comma will bring that up for preferences. Live templates. Click on the user I just created on the last lecture. Well, in the last couple seconds. So just click plus symbol. Live template. So I'm gonna call this abbreviation submit, and I'm gonna give it a description of form submit button. And PHP Storm doesn't help me there with the spelling, so I'm gonna paste that in there and make sure I fix it really nice. Okay, and I'm gonna define it so every time I want to use it in PHP it's available. Apply and OK. Let's go back there to references, actually make it available anywhere. So change, I'm gonna make it available anywhere. Apply, OK. So if I want to create a submit button here, and let's actually go back real quick. I'm sorry, guys. We call this submit. All right. So if I click on submit, enter, you can see if I type submit and tab, I get that. So submit tab. There we go. See how easy that was? All right. So now I created one before. You didn't see that one. And I called it text field. Enter. And now I have a text field there. All right. And all I did was copy this and do exactly what we did with the submit button. All right. That way you can have little snippets of code. And you can create a whole form if you want. So if you want to go ahead and create a whole form, copy it, take it to live templates and just create another template for it. Call it form, like this. Whole form. Paste it in there, and now you will have a whole form created for you automatically. Pretty cool stuff, right? And you can fix it up however you want, and it's up to you how you want it. All right. Well, I'm not gonna fix it up right now, and I'm just gonna put it everywhere. That's okay. You don't have to do that. All right. So now if I want to create a whole form, I just say form, enter, and tab. All right. Of course, you might want to give it another name like open form or something like that. All right. All right. Cool. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this lecture. I hope you learned a really good skill here, so that way you can create applications a lot faster than before with PHP Storm. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lectures.